Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Prince George's County in central Maryland, East Central Fairfax County in northern Virginia, the city of Alexandria in northern Virginia, until 11 p.m. At 10:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over I-395 and I-495 interchange, or over Springfield, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, some hail damage to agriculture is expected. Locations impacted include Alexandria, Annandale, Springfield, Fort Washington, Fort Hunt, Groveton, Huntington, National Harbor, Lincolnia, Franconia, Oxon Hill, Piedmont Valley, Lake Barcroft, Temple Hills, Marlow Heights, I-395 and I-495 interchange, Hayfield, Forest Heights and Jefferson Manor. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Avoid the storm if driving, or get under cover